Welcome to Boundary Ford. We are located at 2502 50th Ave in Blakeminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this pre-owned 2018 Ford Ecosport SE. The exterior color is gray, and under the hood we have a 2.0 liter engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have auto headlamps and fog lamps, and over the side we have 16-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in general tires. At the rear we have privacy tinted glass and a backup camera. At the interior we have power locks, mirrors, and windows. And as we move closer into the cabin, you will see our black cloth seating with adjustments on the side. Above we have a sunroof. Over at the steering column we have our auto headlamp settings. We have a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control to the left, and to the right our media and hands-free options. As we look ahead, you will see we have many options available, such as AM/FM radio, Bluetooth connection, phone, mobile apps, 911 assist, Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, and below our dual climate control area, which includes heating and air conditioning for the entire cabin. We also have heated seats for both passenger and driver to enjoy. We have a heated steering wheel, dual cup holders, gear shift, and storage. At the rear, we have a cup holder and power windows. If there are any more questions about this pre-owned 2018 Ford EcoSport SE, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We would like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.